I'll show you how to use Placeit to easily make t-shirt designs that sell on print-on-demand sites. Placeit have kindly sponsored this video, so I'm able to do a giveaway in the comments section, as well as offer a 15% discount on their paid services. See down below for details. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks for the free features, as well as the more advanced paid features, so there'll be something for everyone. There's over 7,000 t-shirt design templates, and 510 of those are completely free to use. The templates mean that even if you don't have any skills, you can still make designs that sell in a few clicks. I'll put a link to this free template page in the description. You can hover over a design to see alternative styles like I'm doing now, and then click to edit. If you design with the default background colour or with a transparent background, it might not look great on the product later. I always change the background at the top to be the colour of the shirt that I expect to sell my design on, so I can make design choices that match the product. For this one, I'll go with a blue colour scheme. The boxes on the right hand side change the colours of the graphic. I'll set the main colour to be dark blue, and you can see how it's changed here, and then the accent to be light blue. On the left hand side, you can change the text and font, as well as the colours. I'll change the top one to be blue and the bottom to be white. In the middle of the screen on the canvas, you can resize and move everything around. When you select a graphic on the right hand side, the colours you've chosen will automatically transfer across to it. Use this search box to type a keyword and find different graphics. I'll type cute and select this bee. You can see how the bee is monochromatic on the preview, but the main colour and accent get applied when I click it. If you're happy with the design, change the background to be transparent and click the download button. The files are exported with a resolution of 4000 by 4800, which is large enough for print on demand. What a lot of people don't realise is that you can literally access and edit any design on the Placeit website for free, even the paid templates. It's like try before you buy, so you can see if the paid templates are worth it. If you think they are, the 15% discount allows you access to everything from $6.35 a month. The profit from one sale can cover that in many cases, so it's worth it in my opinion. Now I'll give you some tips on how to get the most out of Placeit so you can start making passive income as soon as possible. Tip number 1. When you see a style that you like, click into it and have a look at what keyword is used on the right hand side. This one, for example, is pop art, and you can see all the graphics associated with the keyword. Make a note of it along with other terms that you come across while you're using the site. As you edit different templates, you'll soon build up a collection that you can take advantage of at short notice to make unique designs. The market demand for designs is constantly changing, so you want to be able to react in time to cash in on rising trends or seasonal niches. Having a list of useful keywords makes it so much easier and quicker to find great graphics and other elements. Tip number 2. Spend some time searching for terms related to your chosen niche and see what's available. I'll use space as a niche example. You can see all the different templates that are available, but also search within the graphics section to see what's there. Often, the images alone will help you come up with design ideas and play around with the options, or you can search for artwork to complement a design that you've already got in mind. Use the filter on the left-hand side of the t-shirt design page to find popular niches that already have designs pre-made for them, like these kawaii styles. You might see some artwork like this sushi that you like the look of and want a similar style for future use, so again just click into it and find the keyword. In this case it's cute anime, so note it down to find similar images in the future. You can also click to explore the different styles and mess around with the designs. I've got another video about how to come up with design ideas that'll be listed in the description so you can watch it after this. If you can't find the sort of design that you're after, you can request new content and features by scrolling to the bottom of the page. Tip number 3. If you want to make text-based designs without spending hours searching for the perfect font, then click logos and then see all our templates. This will show you everything, and all of these can be edited to say whatever you want. It's useful to scroll through if you don't have any specific design ideas in mind, but since there's almost 250 pages of templates, you might want to set up a filter at the top. I like to use clothing brand because it gives you a nice variety of styles. What I look for here is a font that I like, as well as any images or shapes that can be used. Everything can be edited, but it's good to start off in the right direction so there's less work for you to do. If you know what text you already want, you can type it in here to see what it'll look like. Placeit will then insert your text into all available designs for you to see and decide what looks best. You can filter by other categories if you want to check out different templates. Gaming logos are some of my favourite because the colour schemes result in a uniform and professional looking design. Don't worry about what the graphic is because it can be updated, and the colours will transfer over too. I can type owl and find a graphic that I like. The red colour scheme transfers across nicely and becomes part of the graphic with the owl's eyes. You can change the accent colour and that'll get updated too. You'll find that a lot of the gaming logos look a bit aggressive initially, but can be modified easily with relevant graphics. Not so intimidating now. So really what you're looking for when you scroll through the templates is the style and placement of the text on the artwork, because everything else can be changed. There are literally thousands of these templates, and the colour schemes have all been created by professional designers. You just need to update the text and graphics to match whatever your niche is. The design should look amazing, and your target demographic will want to buy it. The Placeit license is very simple. Add, alter, and modify content, then you can sell the design you've made. I'll link this page in the description so you can learn more. The full terms can be accessed at the bottom here. And if you're thinking this is great but you're concerned about coming up with design ideas, then you need to have faith in yourself. You will be able to find profitable niches and come up with ideas that sell. Silence your inner critic that says you aren't good enough and just give it a go. You'll be surprised at what you're capable of. Watch these videos next to learn how to discover what's selling right now. That way you'll know what customers want and have the capacity to make high quality designs that they'll want to buy. You can find all the resources mentioned here in the description below. Subscribe for more content and I'll see you next time.